Hi, everybody. My name is Joe, and welcome to Funnel Fridays. Fun fact: I was in a conference last 2 weekends ago, and beside me is a digital marketer, and we started talking about like content. And I told her like, I have a weekly show called Funnel Fridays, and she said like, that sounded like the same event that Russell Brunson, or the same show that Russell Brunson has. And I was like, really? I haven't heard about it. Took out my phone, did a quick Google, and lo and behold, it's Russell Brunson actually had the same show called Final Fridays. I don't know if it's still going on. I did see that it was, I think it was a 2021 or 2020 show. But yeah, it's all coincidence that I have thought of the and maybe I don't know, maybe I've seen Russell's somehow title and it's also in my subconscious. But yeah, so this is called Funnel Fridays with Joe Librero, okay, not with Russell Brunson. And today we're gonna do something really simple, but it's very important if you are launching your funnel, if you're launching on your website using Groove Funnels. Okay, so today we're gonna take your custom domain that you bought from Namecheap and connect it to Groove Funnel so that you can log in. Sorry, not log in, but so that you can load the website that you have in your Groove uh, funnels or Groove pages and launch it to your custom domain. Okay, so if I just basically let's make this connection, and we're gonna do it super quick. You're gonna need two things. One is access to your Groove funnels, and second is access to your Namecheap account. Okay, so let's go do that. Let me let me share my screen, and I'm gonna bring up Namecheap here. So I'm gonna share screen. Okay, window. Right. I want to make sure I'm not sharing. Whoops. Okay. Let me separate my you don't see this, but this is all live, right? You don't see this, but I'm moving my screen around so that um, I can um, speak. Um, you know, I can see both screens. So there you have it, guys. This is your Groove funnel. If you log into your Groove account, you will see this. And yep, uh, let's just go to Groove pages and let's try to publish an existing funnel. Okay, so one of my favorite funnel is this one right here, Rule Your Day. This is actually a copy of Joel Austin's uh, Joel Austin's funnel. So we redraw it or we recreated it inside the Groove account, and you can actually use this. You can actually use this for your challenge, and but you can see it's well done. I love the colors. I just love the way they presented, you know, the funnels, the funnel, and so or the information about the challenge, and so yeah, it's pretty clean. Anyway, that's beside the point. I'd like to publish this inside a custom domain, okay? And let's go ahead and go to our Namecheap account. So log into that and then go to dashboard, okay? And then from the dashboard, look for that account that you'd like to use. In this particular case, I believe I have not um, done anything with MetaRiff Music. Okay, so by default, it looks like this. It's under custom DNS, and then you have like DNS1 P. I mean, if you don't know the meaning of these, don't mind it. I also don't know the meaning of it. But we're we're gonna use this account. So if you go, for example, to metariffmusic.com, it will load this one right here where it says it's not secure, right? Um, oh, you know what? It's actually being utilized somewhere else, but that's fine. We're going to, and that's the reason why it looks like this. But really, usually, if you come in, it would look like this, like the basic DNS, right? This is what it looks like. Now, the group pages and your domain, they're connected. Basically, in order for Groove to find your custom domain, you have to have your domain registrar point to Groove's name server. Okay? And basically from that, you can Groove can now pick up the custom domain, so that if you will go to this custom domain, it will it will load the correct site. Okay, so right now it's like this. Okay. Okay, now let's try to do that. Let's try to add metarifmusic.com to Groove. Okay, so let's go to the profile, account and settings, and there under domain, you go to custom domain, your domain, and then you can see already have 5 accounts. And let me just pause here because you have two options. One is the full domain setup, and then the other one is legacy. You will only use legacy if you have an existing website and you don't want to connect that to Groove, but you want Groove to host your subdomain. Okay, so maybe your funnels, for example, will be in Groove, but you still maintain your old website, your own WordPress website. Now, full domain is when you actually want to um, have Groove control everything. Okay, so it says that a legacy content on this website will not be carried away, meaning to say it will be replaced by Groove itself. So let's go use that, and then let's do this, and then let's add .com. Now you can see it's HTTPS, no double double dot. So if you have that or another HTTPS, just remove it. Click next, and then from here you have it says connect your DNN domain to a few simple steps, log into your account, blah blah blah. Essentially, it's saying that basically you have to copy this and then go here, and instead of Namecheap Basic, it has to be under custom DNS, and then you just paste the first one, go back, copy this, and then paste the second one, and then click check. Okay. So from here, we've already done that. Let's validate the DNS. Okay. Normally, it would take 10 minutes to do this, but or maybe a couple of minutes, but um, the status of your domain, it will be well, not will be pending. You will know that Groove is already listed has listed your domain name here. Okay, so what I'll do is usually click to verify, though I doubt that it will get verified right away. Usually you'll get a request failed with the status code. Okay, in this particular case, what I usually do is I just leave it as is, and then maybe I'll go back to which I try to reload that. Okay, it's doing nothing. Let's go back to Groove, and then go to Groove pages. Yeah. I'm just buying time. Basically, I'm not selling this. I'm just really using this as a training template for my team, and also really is understanding a way for us to understand the design. It's actually well designed challenge funnel, and the copy alone is worth studying, and the way they structure their headers and so on and so forth. So this is a good thing about when you're studying funnels, you I suggest you try doing that also, like replicating other people's funnel, and in the process you're learning something new. Okay, so again I'm buying time here. Let's try to re-verify, and then hopefully it's already good. Yep. Hey, so now it's secured and connected. We need to choose the primary application. This just means that you're expecting to launch sorry, that the content of this URL will be mainly in group pages. You can actually connect the rest, but for now, um, you can actually connect that. So the rest will be just a subdomain from that. Okay. Update. Here we go. And so now it's time to publish. Go to hosting option. And as you can see here, we have grow pages subdomain. Go to the custom domain. And then you will be asked to fill up like which domain actually that you like, and select meta riff music. Okay. And then again, the location. So if you want your customers to access, say for example, metarefmusic.com, and then load this particular web page, then use root. If not, if they will go to, let's say for example, ruleyourday.metarefmusic.com, that's the subdomain where that's you use subdomain. So we'll use root for now, and then publish it. Okay. So let's publish that. It's still publishing, and you know that it's still publishing because we have a progress bar down here. And I think this is only a three-page funnel. Yeah, it's a three-page funnel or three-page landing page. Let's see what's going on. So what I did there was actually what I did there was actually I don't know why it's not secure. It's actually just launching this. Okay, that means it's not loading the URL. But let's see. I think the issue is that it's still loading the old. Um, I think the cookies are here. So let me just go ahead and try a incognito window. So I don't know if you can't see it. So let me see. Uh, okay. Okay. So it seems that the name servers are correct. Let's just give it a little bit of time. Hmm. Right. So what I did there is just I'm trying to republish it. Okay. The connection type. Okay. I don't know why it's not reloading properly. Okay, so I don't know how to fix this. So if you're watching this live, yeah, I don't know how to fix this. So I think the fact that it has been launched somewhere else, and we're just um we're just really relaunching this to, what's redirect. Let me see. Ah, okay. So that explains it. Actually, I'm no longer the owner of this. Um, the owner of the web of the link. Okay, so that explains it. So I've actually transferred this URL, and so that might be the case. But like, okay, I think I've transferred it somehow. Um, yeah, I think that's the problem. So again, but the steps is going to work for you. Not just I just picked the wrong domain, but I'm pretty sure this will work for you if you follow that instruction, and should be able to load your domain. Okay, so I apologize that it's not it didn't work in terms of just for this specific URL. There's two things I can do. I'll try to check this tomorrow, and see what's going on. And but I now actually just transferred it to another user, which is like the company URL or the company account. I shouldn't have used this for this demo, but nevertheless, the steps to go to do that is perfectly working. Okay. Thank you guys for watching. This is hilarious, but this is what live is. And let's just let's just leave it at that. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. This has been Joe Libero, and this is Funnel Fridays. Bye for now.